And with that,
yay!
The Gargling King is defeated.
Yay!
Did I film a lot? No, I always forget. This is Zuby, and we are heading to 2DCon 2024, Day 1. So, what is 2DCon? 2DCon is a gaming convention that takes place in the Twin Cities of Minnesota, USA. It's kind of a niche gaming convention that has been steadily growing with popularity, getting bigger and bigger every year. Today, I'm going to 2DCon to represent ZG Studios and Warren Aether, the Roleplaying Game. Gonna have a booth on the Indie Island, and we're gonna have some fun. Check it out. Got my goodie bag, got my bucks. How are we gonna do this? You know what? Does that work? Hey, you know, kinda. And we made it to our room. And everything is good to go. How you doing, buddy O'Bow?
How's it going?
It's going good. We're gonna have a good day. Good day today. Good weekend this weekend. All right, and that is 2DCon 2024 Day 1 complete. Did I film a lot? No. I always forget. But you know what? Sure as shit, we'll be back twice as strong for the busiest day of 2DCon, Saturday. I'll see you then. We are on Day 2 of 2DCon 2024. I now have Emma Wyman with me, my social media manager and girlfriend, helping me to run the booth, and we're going into the biggest day.
Tell us some fun facts about the venue, sir.
Well, this venue is new to 2DCon this year.
Wow.
And we are at the Doubletree Hotel in, I think, Bloomington?
Bloomington, Eden Prairie, I don't know.
It's the first time 2DCon is here. I've heard many a good things about the venue. Apparently they have a lot of conventions here.
Uh-huh.
That's all I know. I literally know nothing else. Just kind of hearsay information. Ooh. All this chalk wasn't here before.
Yeah, I want to make sure I don't step on
There was a hook pinball machine and it was down, and now I'm really sad.
And with that,
yay!
The Gargling King is defeated.
Yay! Woo! Let's go!
Single bead of sweat rolls down Mitchell's face as he realizes how close he came to that.
And that is the end of our 2DCon Day 2. Super busy day. Still a lot of people around, but I'm tired and I want to go home.
I also want to go home.
Yep. Yee! There's the distinct smell of dank in the air.
Yeah.
The weed. It's legal here.
It is legal.
this later.
Yeah.
So that we don't look dumb. And then I can just take a minute to just accept my reality of having to make this video too.
Behind the scenes bloopers. Right here, right now. This is the beginning.